Well, once again, design has changed and the fridge is going to come over here now, and I'm going to do something a little different in that spot over there. Measured the fridge out and it's 19 inches long, and unfortunately this is 18 inches long, so the feet kind of hang over the edge right here. So right off the bat I need to extend this platform right here. So let's do that. So just zip this board down with a couple of screws. Now I'm gonna have this 1-inch overhang I'll need so this can sit up here. Here's the clearance I mentioned earlier. Originally these feet right here would hang off the edge of this board. So I just extended it out 1.5 inches to make sure I have plenty of clearance. I had to notch this out right here to fit my 2x3 so I can begin framing. This is the rear portion, here's the front portion. I have this one board right here going straight across 64 inches. As long as my speed square can stay nice and flush and I have a nice 90 degree, I know it's pretty square. So this is going to be a drawer right up here, and this will be a drawer right there. First drawer opening. Woo! There is a mixture of 2x2s and 2x3s, because again, I'm trying to repurpose as much as I can. This was the 1/2-inch board I tried installing on that wall, but because there was a bow in it, it just didn't fit right. So I ended up cutting this up into a bunch of rando pieces and made a shelf that'll go right here. And did leave an air gap around the fridge to make sure it had enough ventilation, but everything is very, very strong. Nothing's going anywhere. I see you. I know this isn't the proper way to build a cabinet. Normally you do it with, I think, 3/4 inch plywood, and you build a cabinet carcass, meeting up all the edges of the plywood together, and using your pocket holes and whatnot. But I felt like building a frame to make it a little bit easier on me, because I've never built cabinets before. I've done a few frames, and this kind of came together, like I said, a little difficult because I was building around a pre-existing structure. If I were to have drawn it all out earlier, it probably would have been it probably would have came out a lot nicer. Not nicer, it probably would have came out, it probably would have came together faster. This is where we're at. GoPro down. Seems to happen a lot lately. Also, pretty good at holding this in my mouth and talking. You nervous?
It's tiny.
Yeah, it's a little fridge.
Like it's our fridge. It's like a mini fridge. How'd you build it?
What?
Cappy has a little refrigerator.